What up, though? Let's get it. We got Unburger right here outside Detroit in Dearborn, Michigan. They got a nice vegan hamburger. Let's see what it's about. All right, let's see what we got. Got fries. Fries good. Fries gotta be good. Let's see what we got. So we got the Ultimate Burger. I think it's called the Ultimate Burger. Plant-based. Look at that. Man, that look good. It's a plant-based patty. I added pickle, onion rings. Let's try it. Mm, that's fire right there. Can it hold you up? That's fire. So I quit eating pork, quit eating red meat, all that. You know, be out there and be going around trying out vegan spots. So if you're from Detroit, ever been to Detroit, you're a vegan, you know spots, comment, share those spots with me, please. Mm, that's good. That's a good hamburger. Good vegan burger. So I say. So onion rings on top. Take a look at that again. Man, barbecue sauce. Mm, thumbs up on this. Must try. I love French fries too, so well bye. And they got fries. Gotta be good. That's it. Like, comment, share. Let me know what y'all think. Any spots you know of in Detroit or outside Detroit. Tag it. I'll try it. Like I said, this is Unburger right here in Dearborn, Michigan. Sweet tea. Boom. We out.